Hey y'all, this is Rob from Money Stereo Installations, home of Get 'em In, Get 'em Out. How did you hear about me, young lady?
Through South Pack.
South Pack?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Bike, so
Okay, they heard that South Pack is Cliff and them, rest in peace, Kalu and all that. But yeah, those guys. So what's the plan here? We're gonna do. She said, Rob, I need some music. She heard what I did earlier today. Basically 4 9s in the bags, a new combination in the front, which I can't tell you what we're using in the front stuff, but trust me, it's talking loud and clear. And yeah, we could add LED speakers onto this scenario, but she says she wants to keep a clean, sleek look. So we're gonna work with her on that. And so, like I said, be ready to see. This is gonna be the beginning. I'll give you the middle, and I'll give you the end. Stay tuned. Money Stereo Installations. Gotta go. Sometimes I'm moving too fast for everybody to see. But the bags are done. Got that secret sauce in there. Hop, sneak peek, can't let you see all that. But anyway, back to what I was saying, like the song says, hurry this way again, because that's how they're going to be doing when they hear this.
Qué difícil fue aquel día.
What we got here?
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone.
Money
It's
Stereo
not warm when she's
Installation.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and she's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away, wonder this time where she's gone. She's gone today. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. She goes away.
Body to redhead, we rise. More money, more murder, done dies and top shots. Drop poppers in the summertime. Red bottles, we floss. We'll cancel your ass just to cancel the talk. They say my father used to book niggas. I guess we different, cause I much rather cook niggas and go on flip 'em. I was lost as a kid, but I did.
I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I have no privacy. Oh, I always feel like somebody's watching me. Don't dream. I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I have no privacy. Oh, I always feel like somebody's watching me.
Bass that drop right here, boys. Here we go. Go. That part right there. Holla.
Sweet nothings, make love come out the mouth. No.
Okay, we got one. River Rock Green. This one I did a while back. We had an issue with the fairing. We solved that. But he has a rattle. And the bike I just did the black one for Tiff. Heard this one and said, I need that in my life. And so, which is basically a duplicate of this bike. But this bike had a noise. And the previous people who worked on the bike, they put a cut-in kit with some weird adapters on it. As you see, they are not solidly against the wall. And it's like that on both sides as you see it breaking free. So, as you can probably hear it, swipe to the right. Like I said, as you probably can hear this, or maybe you can't, but it's an extra crack back there.
And like all of a sudden, just like you, taking away your worries and cares. Any problems, music will be right there. Together match, yo, we a perfect pair. Is that true, Marvin? Yo, to get you the bangness, body soul snatcher, universal language. It be the light, so open up. This is it. What the?
But you also might notice that the 6x9s are a different series of 6x9s compared to what we have on the other bike. Hey, this it's kind of loosey up here. Okay, but anyway, we're gonna start by converting it to my style and taking away this and put it on mine and see if we can keep the 9s. If not, we're gonna switch the 9s to the ones with the bigger magnets and solid up that wall. That's what we gotta do. Let's wait and see. Okay, so upon taking out the adapter plate, this is how standard 6x9s are done, like that. Braided holes, 3 in the front, 4 in the back. The company who did this for them originally, they used this spacer, which broke up upon me taking it out. And they cut a big giant hole. The hole I can understand, but that I don't. So, we're going to convert it to my style, keep the grill there, see if we can bring some solid back to his life. And if we can't, then we're going to change 6x9s in general. Because these are some 600s. I don't even use 600s. I use 7s. So, or some other ones that I have under the table that I like to use. So we're going to rebuild this one side, turn it back on before we proceed to the other side. Hey. Well, the good thing is this is we can pretty much make our style jump on top of this style. Dynamat this little corner over here, dynamat that corner over there, little dynamat right there. Put the grill, sandwich the grill back in between that. We should be able to make this work. Stay tuned. I'm about to go in. There, that is. Gotta go. So we got this more solider against the wall now. No spaces, no gaps. Took the other bag off. I say it looks pretty on the outside, but once we get to the inside, yeah, breaking apart. Look at that gap. Let's see what happens if we take this one apart. Pause. Look at this. Fell apart as soon as we took it out. So, good ideal, but bad ideal. Okay, well, we've double spaced it back, just haven't put the wires back. Give it a listen outside. I don't own the rights to this music. Let's see what we do here.
Double up. 3 or 4 times, I ain't telling no lies, I just run it up. Never let a hard time over us.
That vocal is off the hook, though.
Double up. I ain't telling no lies, I just.
I could run farther, but you
I
know.
ain't telling no lies, I just. Double up. Whoa.